How to block someone on Facebook Marketplace. First thing you have to do is go to Facebook and then access your marketplace from here. If you don't see marketplace up top over here, you basically want to go to the three dots at the top left and then find marketplace on this section. I'll just tap on marketplace over here, and then once you are on the marketplace, scroll down and find the item or find the person that you want to block. If you have previously messaged anyone, you can tap on profile over here, and then you'll have your settings on marketplace. You can find the uh, blocking option over here. Now from here, what you want to basically do is tap on the profile, and then you can just go to the profile over here on this person. Now if you want to block this, tap on the three dots and then tap on block, and it's as easy as that. Tap on block again and it'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. Now you won't see this person's listing, and you will no longer receive any messages and calls from this person as well. That's how you can easily block someone on Facebook Marketplace. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.